Welcome to another episode of Crypto Smart. Okay, you ready? Let's get into it. Before buying crypto, we know you're excited to jump in and get your first coins, but hold up. Before you make that first purchase, there are a few things you need to know. The first thing you will need is a crypto wallet. In the simplest of terms, this is somewhere for you to store your crypto once you've bought it. Think of it as a bank account for your coins. So, let's break down just how you can go about getting yourself a wallet. Wallets. There are two different kinds of wallets, hot wallets and cold wallets. A hot wallet is a wallet that runs on any internet-connected device and is the most popular form of wallet for most people buying crypto. With this wallet, you don't get to store your private keys, the thing that basically makes your crypto worth anything, and that can make them vulnerable. However, if you're smart, two-factor authentication, plus sufficient security, you should never run into any problems. The other kind, a cold wallet, is a piece of hardware that is not connected to the internet, and will actually store your private keys. These wallets are also known as offline wallets or hardware wallets, and you can buy them from various retailers. Most often, only serious crypto investors with thousands and thousands worth of assets will choose a cold wallet. So unless you're planning on dropping a huge amount on your first purchase, we would recommend an online-based, hot wallet. Crypto exchanges. Now you know you're going to have somewhere to store your crypto, the next step is to buy some on a crypto exchange. A crypto exchange is a place where you can trade your fiat money, what you likely know as standard currency, whether that be dollars, pounds, rupees or whatever your country's currency is, into cryptocurrency. There are thousands of exchanges available online these days, however, some of the most popular and recommended ones are Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, and Crypto.com. All exchanges will require you to create an account with them, and then complete some KYC, know your customer, by providing details about yourself and some proof of ID. This is due to anti-money laundering regulations all exchanges have to adhere to by law. Once your account is approved, you can go ahead and fund it. You can go ahead and add funds through a variety of payment methods, some of the most popular being credit or debit card, PayPal or direct bank transfer. Depending on where you live in the world, the funds should be available instantly to trade or perhaps take a few days. Buying the crypto. You've got your wallet, signed up to your exchange and added funds, now comes the exciting part, the purchase of your crypto. This part is pretty simple. You just select the type of cryptocurrency that you want to buy, and the exchange will show you what the current rate is and how much you will get your fiat money. Bear in mind, there may be a slight fee for you to make the trade, however these are usually pretty small. If you're happy with the price offered, click the button and make the trade, and congratulations. You're now the new owner of some shiny crypto coins. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you found it helpful and want to see more like this, go ahead and leave a like, plus subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our latest content. If this is your first time buying crypto, what coin are you going to buy? Let us know in the comments section below.